Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. So today we will be looking at the next part of language use in meetings, and this time around we'll be looking at matters arising and discussing ideas. So basically matters arising and discussing ideas are the next items of the agenda of the so-called meeting. So we'll be looking at giving the floor, reporting or briefing, proposing a motion, accepting a proposal, a motion or an idea, or how to reject those and how to make a decision by the end of it. Okay, this is the code of the day. Okay, once the meeting moves to the second item on the agenda, the chairperson will invite the participants to raise any other issues, update on recent developments, or voice out opinions regarding past or ongoing matters. I guess if you guys are working people and you are used with your meetings at your workplace, this is the part that normally head of departments, um, you know, directors of each department, they will be reporting what they have done so far and what they plan to do in future. So the first part is giving the floor. So if let's say you would like, you as a chairperson, you would like to invite people to, maybe the first, maybe the head of department of HR, for example, to report on something, and as well as if let's say she or he has new things to suggest. So how are you going to invite her, to explain on that? So these are the phrases that you can actually use. The first one is, Mr. Harris, would you like to introduce this item? Or Miss Ann, would you like to start? Or I would like to give the floor to Mrs. Tan, who will report on XYZ project. Or Miss Yati, could you brief us on that? So these are the phrases, yeah? Next is, if let's say you are going to report, you are the one reporting or briefing on recent development or matters. These are some of the phrases that you can make use. Like, as you know, we are planning to acquire 40% of Seni Warisan assets. Or, well, I am glad to inform you that negotiation is a success. Or, I have been negotiating with RXW Incorporated and will seal a deal by next week. Or, I'm glad to inform you that XYZ company has agreed to sign a contract with us. Or, I have very good news for you. Rose Antique has decided to merge with us. Or, we have successfully signed a contract with Ilham Breaker Enterprise. If let's say you want to propose a motion or you would like to propose something to the members of the meeting, so these are the phrases that you can actually use. I propose that the date of the event be changed to the next month. I propose that the price be fixed at 25 ringgit per set. I suggest that a campaign be held to promote awareness, or I move that the motion be accepted. If let's say you would like to accept the proposal of somebody else, that means you agree with it. So this is how you say, I second the proposal, or I second the motion. Second means agree to, agree with, yeah. Or I am fully in favor of the motion, or I am completely in favor of the idea, or I see no objection to that, or that is a good idea. If let's say you do not agree or you would like to reject, so these are the things. I disagree with the proposal, or I'm totally opposed to the motion, or I'm afraid I can't accept the idea. But bear in mind, all these threes or any kind of opposing ideas or motions or proposal must be followed by excuse or reasons as to why you disagree or as to why you oppose to it. Yeah. And of course, once you have tabled everything, this is the time for you to make a decision. So I guess the decision has to be unanimous. Or sorry, the decision has to be either unanimous or agreed by majority. And normally, the chairperson will be the one to conclude what has been agreed upon. So these are the phrases that you can actually use in order to make the decision, like, so it is agreed that the price be set at LM45, or since there are no objections, I propose that the event be carried out in November, so on and so forth until the end, yeah? I'm not going to read for you one by one. I believe you can read on your own. Okay, this is an in-class activity that you may also want to act out with your friends on how um, to discuss on something. Yeah, so this is basically a situation given. You have student A, student B, student C. So you act out your so-called apa ni, discussion with your friends. As I mentioned previously, you can use platforms like Zoom or Google Meet or any kind of platform where you can actually record your discussion with your friends and then upload it on YouTube and then share with us the YouTube video by embedding the YouTube video in iDiscuss. All right. So that's all. Thank you.